In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Notion. Open Notion and make sure you're on your main workspace or dashboard. Once you're inside the app, the fastest way to start searching is to use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and P. On a Mac, press Command and P. This instantly opens the search menu from anywhere in Notion, so you don't need to manually browse through pages to find what you need. When the search menu appears, click into the search bar at the top and type in your keywords. You can search for page titles, database entries, or even specific content inside a page. This is especially useful if your workspace has a lot of notes, projects, or documents and you want to get to something quickly without scrolling through the sidebar. As your results appear, take a moment to look through the list. If there are too many matches, use the filter options inside the search menu to narrow everything down. You can filter by things like when something was modified, who created it, or which workspace it belongs to if you're part of more than one team or workspace.
Filters help reduce clutter and make it easier to find the exact results you're looking for.
Once you spot the right result, simply click on it. Notion will immediately take you to that page, database, or entry. That means search is not just for finding information, but also for navigating quickly through your workspace. You'll also notice a recent section near the top of the search menu. This is handy if you want to reopen something you were viewing earlier in the same session. Instead of searching from scratch again, you can just pick it from the recent list and jump right back in. If you use Notion AI and have AI search enabled, you can also turn on the AI search option in the search menu. This allows Notion to understand the meaning behind your query, not just the exact words you type. So if you remember the idea of a page but not the exact title, AI search can help surface more relevant results. After you choose a result, it will open in your current account in Workspace. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to search, filter results, and navigate faster in Notion. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A good tip here is to rely on the shortcut regularly because it becomes one of the fastest ways to move around Notion once your workspace grows. The more pages and databases you have, the more valuable search becomes. Go ahead and try it now, and that's it. You successfully learned how to search in Notion. Congratulations!